Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I turned this $3 chair from a thrift store into a luxurious pink faux fur diamond encrusted chair, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the things you're going to need is spray paint, fabric, polyfoam, hot glue and hot glue gun, a staple gun, and some diamonds. So what I'm gonna do here is just basically spray paint the chair silver. I wasn't too much worried about the fabric that's already on the chair because I'm gonna take it off anyway, and whatever doesn't get covered is gonna get covered by the fabric that I'm going to replace with the upholstery. So at this moment, I'm just gonna start taking off the old fabric from the chair. I'm not sure how old this chair is or was, but it was really hard trying to take off the upholstery that was already on the chair, and everything that was underneath the fabric was very dusty and dirty. So I'm glad that I replaced it, and of course I did find this chair at my local thrift store. It was about $3 or $4, and yeah, so I do recommend using some heavy duty scissors because I was using like a razor blade cutter, which kind of wasn't smart, but it did help get the precise edges. But yeah. So next I'm going to use the polyfoam that I had got from Hobby Lobby. It was about $6, I want to say, $5 or $6 for a pack, and they also had a lot of coupons on their website, so you can get them for 50% off at your local Hobby Lobby. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to replace that with the old cushion that was on the chair from before, and I'm going to use the staple gun, and I'm just going to staple that down to the chair on all four corners, and I'm just stapling the foam into the wooden frame so that it doesn't go anywhere. So you can see right here, I kind of got lazy and I just stapled the extra foam I had to the top instead of taking that upholstery off. You can do what I did, or you can take the whole upholstery off and start from scratch like the bottom part of the chair. Here I have my roll of rhinestones that I also got from Hobby Lobby. They were about $9.99, and of course with the coupons that they have online, I got it for 50% off. And I'm just gonna use that on the legs of the chair to give it more of a pizzazz, more expensive look to the chair instead of keeping the chair silver. I spray painted the chair silver only because I knew I was gonna put these silver rhinestones on top of it, and it just gives it more of a finished, classy, polished look that I was going for, and it gives the chair a luxurious vibe to it. So here comes the fun part. I also got this fabric from Hobby Lobby. It was about $15 a yard, and I only got 1 yard. And of course, it was on sale for, I think it was like 25 or 30% off. And they also let me use a 40% off coupon on top of that. What I'm gonna do is just basically do the flip under method, and I'm gonna tuck the fabric and then I'm going to staple it underneath. And since this fabric is a faux fur, it actually sheds a lot. So if that's not something that you want to have to deal with, because this chair does shed a lot, I do recommend trying to get a low shedding quality fur, or like maybe a velvet plush fur if you're gonna do a DIY chair yourself. As you can see, I'm doing the tuck method. I'm flipping the fabric underneath and I'm stapling it to the wooden frame of the chair, and I'm just cutting the fabric to frame it so you can still see the rhinestone legs that I had did. This chair is only going to be an accent chair and it's going to be placed up against the wall, so I wasn't too concerned about, you know, the back of it. As you can still see the yellow, or underneath the wood you can still see the old piece of the chair, but that's neither here nor there. The chair really turned out gorgeous and it's definitely a major makeover from what it used to look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished product of the chair. It looks so gorgeous. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see some more DIY projects about my room or my apartment, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.